Hi, hello everybody. I've got a pretty fun day planned ahead. I'm gonna make some kimchi today. Kimchi! My girlfriend's coming to visit in just a couple days, so I wanted to surprise her, but I'm very impatient and I've been craving kimchi as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make kimchi in two different styles today. I'm gonna make the traditional style, which ferments over multiple days. I'm also gonna try making a same day kimchi, kind of like a quick kimchi that hopefully I can enjoy with my lunch today. This place is gonna smell like kimchi for a while. Also, I got a package in the mail that I've been waiting for quite a while. This is a knife that I ordered from a Kickstarter months and months ago. It took quite a while to get here, but it is a really small startup. I wanna say based in Germany. I'm really excited to open that, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. It's gonna be one of my very first fancy knives. Most of the knives I cook with are very cheap, affordable, kind of run-of-the-mill knives. So I'm really excited to have a nicer chef knife, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Thanks for joining me. It should be a really fun video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Let's check the knife out, you guys. I'm pretty sure it's like an unspoken rule that to be a true YouTuber, you gotta have a badass unboxing knife. Luckily, I'm a badass. Let's unbox this thing. So here it is, bare cookware. This is the chef's knife, 200mm, 8-inch. Here it is, you guys. Look at how amazing that looks. None of my knives actually have a flat bottom like this. Really good tool for crushing garlic and things. So I'm really excited to have that. I also got this magnet strip, and this is something that you can install it on your wall and stick all of your knives onto it. Wow, it's really beautiful. It looks great. And the knife should just, wow, that's really strong. That's so exciting. Yeah, everybody, I'm hoping to review the knife after a couple weeks of use, but I'm really excited to have that magnet because now I can hang all of my knives. Currently, I just keep them in a drawer, which works well, but if you have all of your knives hanging on the wall, you can just grab one whenever you need one. Makes cooking that much more efficient. I think I'm gonna put the knife to test and use it to make the kimchi today. Don't disappoint us. Kimchi gods, bless my knife. Deem it suitable for creating the kimchi. It's time to get started. So, for ingredients, we have Napa cabbage, green onion, an apple, daikon radish, a carrot, mine's pretty floppy, ginger, garlic, gochujang, which is Korean red chili paste. We also have Korean chili flakes, sriracha, normal cabbage. I'm just gonna throw this in because I had it left over and I want to use it up. Bagoong alamang. This is a Filipino shrimp paste that I'm gonna be using to replace the fish sauce, which is traditional in kimchi recipes, but I don't have any at the moment. We're also gonna use some salt and some sugar. So this isn't gonna be super traditional kimchi because I'm replacing a couple ingredients with just what I have on hand. So if you wanna make very traditional kimchi, look up a recipe for that. This is what I have to work with today. And you can always replace the shrimp paste with fish sauce. Also, once you learn how to make this kimchi type of marinade, you can use it with all sorts of ingredients. You don't have to use cabbage. You can use cucumbers, radish, carrots, you can use apples, pretty much anything you'd like. Alright, so let's begin by grabbing a large vessel. I don't have a big container, so I'm going to use this soup pot. And we're going to begin slicing through the Napa cabbage. Let's make about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Once we do that, we're going to heavily salt the cabbage. I would say about 3 nice big pinches full. After that, let's bring it to the sink and we're going to submerge the cabbage in water, and we're gonna kind of slosh everything around and get the cabbage completely coated. From this point, we can start cutting our green onions. We can also cut those in about 1 to 2 inch pieces. You'll see here. Once you get to the white, you want to go ahead and cut that in half. Be careful, it's a little slippery. It's just a little tougher, so we want to have it in nice bite-sized pieces that are easy to chew. Next is going to be the carrot. We can go ahead and slice those into matchsticks. Garlic is next. Take the peels off of those, and then we will mince through them. And now is a great time to check on our cabbage again, so let's slosh it around once more before draining it completely. And now let's start grating our daikon, ginger, and apple. I'm gonna start with the daikon, and I'm gonna grate it down just till there's a little bit of a butt left, and I'm gonna save that aside to slice later. Next, let's do about 3/4 of the apple. Grate that through, and do the same with the ginger. Again, I'm leaving the butt, and I'm gonna take all of those leftover ingredients after cleaning up, and I'm actually going to slice through them, and this is gonna be used in our quick kimchi. That way nothing goes to waste. So let's begin making the sauce. I have that gochujang, sriracha, chili flakes, and shrimp paste, followed by sugar. And I actually ended up putting a small amount of sesame oil in there, as well as some water to thin it out. And once I do that, I'm gonna mix everything together before pouring it over. From here, I'm adding our aromatics and carrots, as well as the cabbage, to the quick kimchi ingredients. And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss that all together like a salad. And that's basically it. Hey guys, so I'm gonna pause the time-lapse section of the video to let you check out the quick kimchi. It's just about done at this point. And keep in mind, with normal kimchi, you're letting it ferment for sometimes up to an entire week. This is the quick version, so you can think about it almost like a salad, if that makes sense. Now, let's finish up that OG kimchi. All right, so let's begin by taking our grated aromatics and the rest of our onion carrot mixture and mixing that all together with our marinade. Then we're gonna take that mixture and add it to our cabbage, tossing and gently massaging everything together by hand. So our kimchi is just about done. The last step is to take a large jar with a lid. I'm gonna use like a pickle jar. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it with our kimchi, and then we're gonna compress all the kimchi down so we remove all of the air bubbles that might be, between the layers of kimchi. We just want one layer of air at the top, and make sure you have a lid for your jar. Also, don't forget to sneak a taste. So from this point, we're going to begin transferring the kimchi into our glass vessel. Glass does work best for fermentation. Please just make sure it's very clean before filling it, and also be sure to wash it off completely afterward. Also, friendly reminder to clean up your workspace when you're done cooking. So everybody, the kimchi is all finished. I'm gonna let this ferment for a couple days. Today's Thursday, and I'm planning to eat it on Sunday, so I'm gonna let it ferment until then. Only thing I gotta keep track of is to make sure this lid isn't on too tight. I'm just barely gonna tighten it, and I'm just gonna let this sit on the counter till I'm ready to eat it. Now, it's gonna get a little stinky, but don't be a baby about it. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Hey, so if you got a lot of this leftover kimchi juice, put it into a soup. It's packed full of flavor. Don't waste it, eat it. It's yummy, you're welcome. I gotta get another taste of this. So everybody, our quick kimchi and our normal kimchi are done. What I'm gonna do now is take care of myself. I haven't eaten yet today. I just realized, all right.
Let's make some lunch.
It's true. Sometimes I still break my egg yolks. You live and you learn. So for lunch today, I made a little bit of fried rice, and I'm gonna eat that with a nice heaping side of the quick kimchi. I also prepared a little bit of a peanut sauce, and I'm gonna eat that with my fried eggs. lunch is done. I'm gonna eat this. I'm probably gonna have some fruit with it. You know, I'm trying to be more healthy, but this is basically it. And the quick kimchi came out delicious. It's got a nice spice and tang to it. I really can't wait to eat the fermented version. I just finished eating. I also washed my face. For some reason, whenever I cook, my face gets really oily. So I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hey guys, so I'm editing down the video and I realized I forgot to mention both the recipes will be down in the description. So if you're interested in trying either one out, please look down in the description and I hope you enjoyed them. Thanks. If you made it to this point in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you were entertained or learned something along the way, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.
Don't you think about it.